Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. I'm so sorry I've been super light on content. Unfortunately, work has gotten super busy and then we got a few life things happen, so I haven't been able to make as much content or live stream, so I'm sorry about that. But hey, hope you're doing well wherever you are. Today we're gonna visit Walmart to see what the motor oil prices look like. I think it's been about 10 days since I last visited the Walmart store, and I know a lot of you folks have reached out to me saying, oh my gosh, Valvoline Restore and Protect has gone up again on the East Coast. I think there was a screenshot that one of our viewers had sent showing the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5-quart bottles at Walmart for more than $40. And so we're going to go ahead, check my local store and see what's going on. So let's do it. The last couple of weeks it's been, I don't know, almost 100 degrees every day here in Minnesota, and my grass is completely dried up and turned brown, and this is the first day we've gotten rain in a really long time. It's actually like 60 degrees outside, so it's really nice. By the way, if you guys are into content like this and you like the Walmart visits and car maintenance stuff, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps. We've been doing this for quite some time now, and it's been fun creating YouTube content, talking to people about all the different car maintenance stuff they're doing. Yeah. All right, we're almost there. All right, $31.97 for Valvoline. Let's go ahead, check the motor oil section. Okay, so $79 for this 2.5 gallon 10W30, it looks like. And then $19.97 for 15W40 T4. T6 10W30, $33.97. All right, we'll jump to the main event here. $31.97 for these items. $35.97 for the extended performance. Valvoline Restore and Protect still $35.97. We'd love to see that. $33.97, and then Castrol Edge high mileage 5 quarts, $31.97. $31.97, $33.97 for the extended performance, assuming that's merchandised correctly. $35.97, $35.97, $2.54 for some funnels. $35.97, $33.97 for motor oil advanced clean. High mileage is $31.97, $31.97, $31.97. All right, max life is $33.97, same as the extended protection it looks like. And then advanced protection is $31.97. And then Castrol high mileage $25.97, $31.97 for this, $31.97 for the mobile one as well. Advanced full synthetic, $31.97. Hybrid is $33.97, 0W20. And then we got this one, this 12-quart bottle, $69.97. I remember when it was only $60. And then empty shells here. Looks like it's mobile one synthetic 12-quart 0W20 SN. And then $31.97 for ESP 0W20. Royal Purple is $42.88. VR1 Valvoline $29.97. Oh, that's what the price of Valvoline Restore and Protect used to be. $22.97 for the high mileage synthetic blend, and then $25.97 for the Castrol GTX. All right, over here we got Castrol Edge $31.97, and then right here is Edge synthetic 5-quart, also $31.97. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum $39.97. And then your Platinum Full Synthetics, $35.97, $35.97, $32.97, $29.97, $25.97, $32.97, Quaker State, $29.97, and then these 6-quart or 1.5 gallons, $26.88, Valvoline, $26.88, synthetic blend. That must be the conventional. I think it's the conventional, and then this is $26.88, $26.88. And then $34.97. If any of you guys use Chevron Valvoline, let me know what your experience has been like. All right, now we got the SuperTech $32.97 for this one, 0W40 European formula, and then high mileage full synthetics $26.88. All right, advanced full synthetic $26.88, 0W16 $24.88 full synthetic. This is 5W20 synthetic 5-quart, $24.88, $24.88, $24.88. $24.88 across the board here, and then $21.88. I think this is probably conventional protection, conventional oil here. $21.88. Quaker State down here, $25.97 across the board, except this one, full synthetics at $29.97. And then 1-quart bottle of Restore and Protect, because I really like to check that, $11.97. 1-quart bottle of Ultra Platinum is $10.97. Wow, that was a lot of talking in a short period of time. So it looks like motor oil prices here at my local store have mostly stayed the same in price. But let me know if you guys have seen anything different. I know quite a few of you guys emailed me saying, oh yeah, it's slightly higher at Walmart in your region of the country, but it looks like it's the same for now. By the way, 5W30 in the new bottle. Check this out. Let's see here. Oh, it's a GF7. Check that out. I know some of you guys have asked about that. That's the first time I've seen the 5W30 in this brand new bottle. Looks really nice. I gotta pick up some soon. Hopefully it doesn't go up any more than it already is. But yeah, and then there's their oil filter section. You got Mobil 1, Purelator, Motorcraft, all this stuff right here. Oh, and then you got SuperTech Def Fluid back here at $9.98. All right, let's take a look at their other car accessories. Yeah, wipers. And then a bunch of like fuel additives and other fluids for your vehicle. Valvoline 3.4. Let's see if they have the Valvoline Restore and Protect Fuel System Cleaner. I know that. Nope. I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, a lot of cleaning products here. Oh, speaking of which, I actually got to pick up one of these. We're running low on microfiber towels, but yeah, I always like Walmart's automotive section just because they have like a wide variety of products that you can choose depending on your need. And it's also it's priced pretty competitively, so I really like that. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll have more content soon as I get my life figured out and I'm able to find time to do more and more content. But hey, for the meantime, thank you so much and take care. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.